Hey Riders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you a product that I absolutely love. I just got this and I figured I would share it with you because I made a separate video on both like upper hair removal and your arms, you know, if you have hairy arms, how to shave it. Not shave it, but I use electric razors for it. I don't use like an actual razor. I wanted to show you the product and I wanted to show you how I use it in case you wanted a new product or you're looking for something to take care of the upper lip hair and also your arms. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I trim the hair on my arms, but I'll make a separate video on the upper lip hair removal. Yeah, if you guys like it, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends if you have friends who may need to trim their hair. This comes with the package and I love just having it in there because I can always, like, if I'm on the go or something, I can always just throw it in my bag. And then also I don't misplace this little thing that wipes the hair off once you're done using it. And then I also don't misplace the guard because I use this big electric razor. I use it on my lady parts as well for like if I'm gonna wear a bikini or anything and I haven't got waxed recently and I just want to trim because sometimes I just don't have time. So I just like it to be nice and smooth and not super hairy. And then also for the bikini line, you know, you can use it without the guard. So this is really, really good. But I also use this for my arms. Now I'm gonna show you right now. It's like super hairy right here. It's not super hairy right here right now, but this area, oh my gosh, look at that. Can you see it? So I'm gonna shave that right now and I'll show you. The guard is on. Sometimes I have to remove the guard if I want it smoother, but let's just start with the guard. So I just shave in an upward motion and the hair's already coming off. And I shave in all different directions. But it's just not shaving enough with the guard on. So I'm gonna take it off. It's just that the hair's not that long. So yeah, hair's coming out, but it's not like as much as I want. So I'm just gonna use it without the guard. So you have to be careful because you could actually cut yourself if you're not like gentle with it. So just be very careful, and it feels a little warm if you get too close without the guard, but you see all the hair that it's getting rid of. And now I feel like everything else is super hairy, so I'm gonna bring it up and like just kind of trim this down. So you're gonna take a little break, get all the hair out from in there so that it's not stuck, and then like kind of wipe it off. There's a lot of hair coming off here, ladies. Already it looks so much better, so much smoother. Okay, so I'm gonna go all the way up here. Like I literally need to get my elbows. My elbows like are hairy too. I just have a lot of hair. Like this is all real, okay? No wig, weave, whatever you want to call it. All natural. So I'm hairy in terms of like body hair and stuff. That's what I have to get. Like I have to wax and like you know, shave. Electric shaver. But you know, I must say I love it. I am blessed. There is nothing wrong with having hair. I know some people were commenting on my other video like, oh, there's nothing wrong with hair and all this stuff, and I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with it. You know, this video is for ladies that just want smoother skin, don't want a bunch of hair showing on their bodies. And it's not like you're waxing your arms or getting rid of the hair completely. There's still hair here. It's just not as like visible and not as long and thick. So if you look at my arms, I still have hair. That's why I prefer this method of removing hair from my arms, because it still looks very natural. And comment, let me know what you guys think. As you can see, it's a big difference from my right arm. I don't know if you can see all the hair here. And then now, like, compared to this. Totally different. See the difference? But yeah, no judgment here, okay? I don't want you guys to think that it's wrong to have hair. It's not. It's a natural part of being a human. There's some very, very fortunate people, like my daughter, my younger daughter, Isabella. She has very smooth skin and hardly has any hair. You know, some people are like that, some people aren't. My oldest daughter, she has hair just like me, so I have to teach her these techniques because sometimes she can feel insecure, and it's totally understandable. And if you're that person who is not insecure about having hair on your body like that, kudos to you. I think it's more of a personal preference. It's not necessarily to impress anyone or so that people won't talk bad about you or whatever. It's more for yourself, like you just feel more confident, you feel better. So that's why I do it, and that's why I am teaching you how to do it and what I do. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will post the product in the description down below, and I am going to also show you how I use this little trimmer, it's a small one, in my next video. All right. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Besitos.